Here's a 2018 Ram 2500. If you're wondering whether your truck can handle the load, it's time for this 2500. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: HEMI engine, 4-wheel drive, tow haul mode, trailer brake controller, wireless audio streaming, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, trailer hitch receiver, active front anti-roll bar with driver control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone in the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.